better change you guys' blanket.
That is so cute.
I'm gonna go get another blanket. Although it will look like that in a day, but at least I'll feel like I did
Did you
my
get
thing.
it? Hi. Hi. Aren't you cute? You're just a little cutie pie. Yeah. You got a nice little tummy, don't you? Oh. Oh. Oh, they're so cute. I can't stand it. He's going after your shoelace again.
I know. They're soaked.
You guys are just adorable. It's going to be a challenge with the fighting.
Yeah.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
it is.
You know we're going to have to do the reprimand thing, aren't we? Come here. Come on, join in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bree. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? These guys are all just chewing away.